are you doing?
Just walking in a random island in the Canary Islands.
This island's called like Serife.
Yeah, a Serife.
We're supposed to be in Morocco.
But there's what do they call
Civil
it?
unrest.
Yes. So they put us at this random place.
We're on our cruise boat.
Check that out.
We're supposed to be to Morocco. We're supposed to be in Casablanca right now, but
We're in.
evidently there's been an uprising against the king of Morocco. So, okay. I'll let you know later.
Yeah.
If we have any other
See all the
itinerary
lava
plans.
Looking for a volcano cave.
We're in the Canary Islands
Las Palmas
and we're at the Botanical Garden. Jardine Botanical.
Jardine Canary.
Oh, we just walked up. Kind of steep steps.